sir.
Very good morning, children. Most welcome in this oral mathematics class. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Our topic is multiplication. In Hindi, it is called guna. Multiplication is a short way of adding the same number repeatedly. Right?
Yes, sir.
There are 4 plates. Each plate has 3 mangoes. You can see first plate is of 3 mangoes, 1, 2, 3. Second plate is also of 3 mangoes, first, second, third. Third plate is also of 3 mangoes, first, second, third. Fourth plate is also of 3 mangoes, 1, 2, 3. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, what do we learn from this arrangement? How many mangoes are there in all? There are 3. You can see 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 mangoes. That means we needed to add 4 times. That is 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. We write it as here. This is multiplication sign. There is cross sign and is read as the sign of multiplication. Is the symbol of multiplication. Look at another example. You have toffees first, second, third, fourth, fifth. In second group you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toffees. In third group you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toffees. If you want to add all the toffees in order to get total number of toffees, then how many toffees are there in all? There are 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15 toffees. That means 3 times 5 is equal to 15. We write it as 3 into 5 is equal to 15 and we say 3 5s are 15. Or in order to clarify this ideology, we will learn about multiplication table in next class. So you can see number of objects, right?
Yes.
By complete the following tables. First you need to write group, then number of objects in each group, and multiplication fact and product. In this way you will come to know about the table of multiplication. See here, 5 balloons are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each balloon denotes a group. That means 5 groups are here. You need to write 5. Number of group is equal to 5. Number of objects in each group 1, and multiplication fact is 5. So product is 5. See here, product is 5, and we read it 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Right. Second example. Here you see this person has 2 eyes, and this person has 2 eyes. This person has 2 eyes. This person has 2 eyes, and each person denotes a group. This is a group. This is a group. This is a group. This is a group. That means total groups in this row is 4, and we need to write number of group as 4. Then number of objects is equal to 2, because in each group you see 2 objects, that is one eye and first eye and second eye. So this is first eye, second eye, first eye, second eye, first eye, second eye. That means each group is of 2 objects. So you need to write 2 in this column, and then multiplication fact will be 4 into 2 is equal to 8. That is 4 2s are 8. What does it mean? There are 4 groups having 2 objects in each group. Again we can go through another example. in this group you see 4 bananas are here, first, second, third, fourth. In this group 1 2 3 4 bananas are here, 1 2 3 4 4 bananas are here. So we need to know the number of group is 3 and number of objects in each group is 4. So multiplication fact for this situation will be 3 plus 4, that is 12. In this way we can learn this concept by with the help of other groups. This is group 1 2 3 4 5. If every group is of 5 keys, you can count first 1 2 3 4 5, and we need to write number of groups is equal to 5, and number of groups is equal to 5. Then multiplication fact is equal to 5 into 5, and product is equal to 25. So 1 2 3 4. In another example we see 4 vases here, and in each vase there are 3 flowers. So we can write number of groups is equal to 4 and number of objects is equal to 3. So multiplication fact for this will be 4 into 3, result will be 12. Similarly, we can write number of groups as 1 2 3 4 5 6. For this figure 6 groups are here, and each group is having 2 objects. So number of groups is equal to 6 and number of objects is equal to 2. So the multiplication fact will be 6 into 2 is equal to 12. That is 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. Again we see group 1 2 3 4 5. 5 groups are here, and each group is of 4 objects. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so on. So number of groups is 5 and number of objects in each group is 4. Consequently the multiplication fact will be 5 into 4, and 5 for the 20. In this way we have to prepare multiplication chart for given digit. Next digit will be for you all for multiplication table of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Thank you very much for watching this technique to clear the ideology of multiplication table. Must prepare it in your copy and get it checked. All the best. See you.